Hey guys, welcome back. This is my computer, and if you're wondering from the thumbnail and the title, what happens if I remove my hard disk drive SATA cable in between of running right now, and I will also try removing the RAM. So this is the experimental video. Don't try this at your home at your personal computer. This may harm your computer. So let's go. So here you can see there's my two drive. One is the my SSD drive, and this is the mechanical hard drive. So this is experimental PC. So I have installed all my OS file at this mechanical hard drive, and here you can see this is only 220 GB, only one mechanical hard drive is running there. So let's try. So I will remove the SATA cable right here, right now. You can see it is totally running, and 1 2 3 done. Let's see. This is still running cause all the OS files, the cache files are in the RAM. So let's watch it. It will happen. Just wait and watch. This is still running. But if I click on the hard disk, it is not responding. Okay, let's remove the power cable also. So I have removed the power cable, and you can see it is instantly went on the black screen, and it is just restarting, and it is saying to select the boot drive. If I press any key, it will not happen anything. So let's give the power and the connection back. Here I have given the connection back, and I have installed the power cable. Let's restart my PC. Now we can see it is just booting from this hard disk. So you just saw what happens if I remove the hard disk connector and power cable in between a running computer. Now let's try removing the RAM. Let me show you. There is a 2 RAM stick are installed on the drive. Both are 4 GB, total of 8 GB. So I will just uninstall the RAM from the RAM slot. Here you can see the RAM is total 8 GB. So let's try removing the RAM right now. Let's keep your eye on the screen. Here you can see I have removed the RAM. There you can see. And this is what happens if I remove the RAM. All the display goes out. Let's try removing the RAM again. Fully, if I remove it fully, and what will happen? Okay, so I have removed it fully. Here you can see. But don't try this. I am saying it again. So I have fully removed the RAMs. Now you can see the display is fully gone. Has given some texture on the screen. So let's try to put it back. Okay, so I have fully installed it, and it is not responding. I will have to restart it. So let's try restarting the computer. Trying to boot. Let me see. Yes, I guess it is taking. And the RAM sticks are fully installed. This is what happened. This was the experimental video, and you can see it is loading. And you can see my computer is fully loaded. So guys, you just saw what happened if you remove your hard disk and RAM at the middle of running up your PC. If you have learned and found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and share with your friends and family. If you are new, then please consider subscribing my channel. And also, if you don't know how to jumpstart your motherboard, watch my video from the I button. Also, I will put the link in the description and the first comment. So I have to catch you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. I was Sandeep Sundas signing off. Have a good day.